Michigan State really laid the foundation and the blueprint for me to become successful as a nurse and a nurse practitioner. I went to MSU for undergrad, my master's, as well as my doctorate and the postmaster's certification. I went back for my postmaster's certification in psychiatric mental health so that I could better take care of my patients here at the clinic and be able to treat them medically as well as behaviorally in their mental illness.
The Psychiatric Mental Health Nurse Practitioner program helps develop critical thinking and problem solving and really helps students identify the needs of communities and meeting patients where they're at. It's very patient-centered, very holistic when we're looking at mental health and substance use disorders.
I love MSU. I am a true Spartan. Just from day one, all of the faculty at MSU have been able to really establish a good rapport, and they've really been encouraging throughout my whole journey at MSU, and just keeping in contact and teaching me those leadership skills and just helping me navigate the healthcare industry to become a better nurse practitioner.